What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, it does look as though it's forming up somewhat like pretty much every other single crypto that we've been looking at. Ever since we had the crash in May, we obviously formed this range. Looking something like this, aren't we? Where basically, we come all the way down to 5 cents, we have the bounce all the way back up eventually to 15 cents here. And then obviously getting stuck inside this descending wedge. We did roll over, stuck under this resistance for a good while here, under the EMAs as well, with the bearish flip of our EMAs, the 20 and the 55. On the daily time frame here, and then as you can see, since then we've been stuck under the EMAs, haven't we? Until we got this breakout of this resistance here, very nice to see. We come back down, we roll over, and we retest that previous resistance as support, which is really good to see, isn't it? Because at this point we were thinking, okay, Vechain's showing a lot of strength because it is actually breaking out of resistances right now, rather than just rolling over, going into that bear market. We pretty much get to the bottom of our big macro channel we've been in. And we're getting really oversold. And then as you can see, we obviously came up, we broke through the 20, we consolidated for a week between the 20 and the 55 very bullishly in this ascending triangle pattern. We broke out of the 55 then, and then since then we've pretty much been targeting the top of the channel, haven't we? Which is, up at around, what is this? 15.2 cents. We come all the way up to around 14.5 cents here. We got to this level, but then obviously with the market rolling over, we have actually had a bit of a rollover for Vechain. Just going sideways and consolidating, which is really good to see. Considering that we have just been basically going straight up like this, haven't we? So to see ourselves going sideways and basically making a bit of support and consolidating nicely is good to see. Because it's obvious that we've been on an absolute tear recently, haven't we? And it seems likely that we did need to see a bit of a rollover correction. Because we've seen that reversal of the trend, haven't we? We've got a high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We've come up, we made our high, but now we need to see ourselves coming back down, making that higher low, and then making that high to properly reverse this trend, don't we? And right now, it looks as though we are having a bit of a rollover, which in my opinion is perfectly fine. This is very healthy in the market. You really want to see some red days as well as green days, because you can't go up like this forever. Otherwise, you will come back down just as fast. Not making any support on the way up is chart suicide, if you will. Basically, what will happen is your price will go up and up and up and up and up, and then it won't have any support for those retracements, and you'll basically get a huge capitulation. Which is essentially, you could say this is what happened here. Where you start to go hockey stick, don't you? Where the price action just goes up in a straight line on the chart. And then, we come back down, we have a huge correction down to this tiny level of structure here. We did have a bit of a consolidation with this ascending triangle. But then obviously, this ascending wedge, sorry. And then obviously, once we had the capitulation, because there was no real support, we just absolutely fell through the floor for Vechain, didn't we? And we're not saying this is going to happen again, but it's a bit of a concern when you go up in a pretty much a straight line like this. Although we do have a nice little bit of consolidation here, we could fall back on if we did come back down to these kinds of levels at around 8 or 9 or 10 cents before making that higher low and then that higher high. So overall, we would say Vechain looking very good, isn't it? You can see, over the past few days, obviously everyone's complaining Vechain's not going up even more. It's like, well, it's just gone up from, what is this, 5.5, 6 cents all the way up to 14.5, 15 cents in the space of 2 or 3 weeks. It needs a little break. We're retesting the 20 here, which is good to see. Most cryptos are doing this right now. Nice to see us coming back down. testing some support before essentially, hopefully, you know, getting a bit more of a bounce to the upside and coming back up to test the top of this range here. But it does seem as though, you know, Vechain doing very well indeed. Obviously, we've got the 55 here if we do start to roll over as well. So our short-term price predictions in reality, it looks as though we are slowly, you know, coming down, looking for support. We're currently bouncing in and around the 20. If we lose the 20, the 55 is going to be a very strong support on your daily. Looking at around 11 cents, you know, coinciding nicely with this good area of structure here, all the way across to here. You can see there's a very nice area of structure here which we can bounce off of. And it currently looks like as though we may actually be getting a bounce in and around this level here at around 11.5 cents. So short-term price prediction to the downside, and then to the upside, obviously, if we do start to pump, we are targeting the top of our range. Looking at around, you know, 15, maybe even 16 cents. So those would be our short-term price predictions. And as we always say, if we're looking at the top of this channel that we have been trading upwards inside of with the fib extensions as well, going into December, January time, we're looking realistically at 50 cents, $1 being very possible. And then upwards of around 150 to $2 going into the, you know, the end of January time if we do get that really big pump. So update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.